Good evening to all of you. Myself Dr. Bharti Patil, working as an assistant professor physics in Maharaja Jivajirao Shinde College, Srigonda, Ahmednagar. First of all, I am very much grateful to the Department of Physics, Electronics and Photonics, Rajashri Shahu Mahavidyalaya Latur, for organizing and giving me an opportunity to attend this AICT Training and Learning Atal Academy sponsored 1 week online faculty development program on photonics, active learning in optics and photonics from 3rd of November to 7th of November 2020. I am very much grateful to the AICT and Atal Academy that they have created such a informative and mind-provoking platform which will definitely empower faculty like us to achieve goals of higher education such as access, equity and quality. When teachers get trained and modulated by attending such sound content based courses in Atal FDP or workshops, this is really going to impart a quality education in the country. We are very much grateful to the host institute that they resource persons they have selected are very knowledgeable and masters in their respective fields. We have learned a lot from them. Through this Atal FDP, I have come to know the strength of today's India, and it lies in our topmost institutes such as IITs, NITs, ISERs, university and various colleges. The resource person Professor Ajay Ghatak sir, Dr. S.C. Verma sir, Vipul Rastogi sir, M.R. Shenoy sir, Dr. Ajit Kumar sir, Pramod Vatikar sir, Dinesh Kabra sir, all are working in IITs or are alumni of IIT. So these people are having vast knowledge about this subject, beautiful skill to teach difficult subjects in simple way, and they are down to earth. Their simplicity wins my mind. I salute to their knowledge. Almost 4 generations have been involved in this FDP. We are found ourselves lucky that we are part of such FDP. Respected Professor Ghatak sir in the field of optics is great. Almost each and every speaker has used his work while delivering their presentation. He has explained each and every point so simply that we are surprised that are we learning the same topics which were making us so confused during our college times? I feel from bottom of my heart that Professor Ghatak sir deserves a national recognition for his great contribution in the field of optics. Same is the case with the Padma Shri awardee respected Professor H.C. Verma sir. I have attended his Learning Physics through Simple Experiments course during lockdown, and there was no exam, no grading, only lots of discussions, watching videos based on experiments and making predictions, observations and learning a lot from them. The gadgets which were used were also cheap. So after attending respected Professor David Sokolov and respected Madam South who have demonstrated us active learning based teaching, the H.C. Verma sir's initiative or the course was full of active learning, I can say now. He had made us to ask the questions what, why and how. The enthusiasm towards teaching of Dr. David and Madam Sound is highly appreciated. We will definitely incorporate such simple but thought-provoking experiments in our teaching with our students' active participation. Dr. Vipul Rastogi sir, Dr. M.R. Shenoy sir have also given us deep insight related to fiber optics. Only one statement that if there is no loss, we can use fiber for communication, and if there is loss, we can use it as sensor. So they have built a mindset of making physics concepts simple than making them complicated. Pramod Vatekar sir has explained us everything about the fiber and its manufacturing. He also allowed us to visit his company Sterlite Technologies Limited Aurangabad with our students. We and I am sure that Each one among the participants are eagerly waiting to get rid of this corona pandemic and after that plan and execute a fruitful visit to Sir's plant at Aurangabad. My sincere thanks to Dr. Ajit Kumar, Dr. Madanand Sir, Dr. Suvarna Datar Madam for sharing important details related to the field of fiber optics. I am deeply thankful to Dr. Nanasaheb Thorat Sir for upgrading our knowledge related to use of photonics in health area and Dr. Dinesh Kabra sir for introducing emerging photonic materials and their applications to us and igniting our minds towards research. He has also told us about the various fundings available with the help of IISCs and IITs Bombay. I am also thankful to the host institute for incorporating a session based on stress by Dr. Juhi Deshmukh Madam. She helped us to understand the stress, how it becomes an unavoidable part of our life and how to tackle it, how to come out of stress and make our future beautiful. I have learned a lot from this FDP. I am thankful to the Host Institute President Dr. G.V. Patil sir, Coordinator Dr. Abhijit Yadav sir, his team members Mr. M.B. Kumbhar sir, Mallikarjun sir, Gawane sir, Jadhav sir, Shinde sir, Raju sir, who have taken a tremendous efforts to make our time that we have spent attending FTP most valuable. I am thankful to each and every speaker from bottom of my heart for giving different eyesight to look at the things, making physics simple and delivering physics in simple manner. Large number of courses are available on NPTEL portal for 24 by 7 and free of cost. Ministry of Education, Government of India have formed National Mission on Education through ICT to make available to the learners community learning resources through a single window. NME-ICT have sponsored National Digital Library of India NDIL project. This contains lectures, videos and notes from NPTEL Swayam courses, online class lectures, NCERT lectures, some books, questions, solutions for undergraduate and students across all the disciplines. So I am very much grateful to the Ministry of Education, Government of India for the same. For we are learning on our own. One request from my side is that we are having great depository related to bestest best content in the world. But during college and school timing in state level colleges where working days are from Monday to Saturday and working hours are from 10 to 5 pm, there is no time left for the students or teachers to make use of this top class e-content. So it's my request that we have 5 days week and Saturday or a day should be allotted for such type of learning by self purely where teachers can only play a role of guide so that students can develop a habit of making use of this great resource available on their single click 24 by 7 without stress. Since few days or months, when we make a phone call, we are listening ringtone by respected Amitabh Bachchan ji, spreading awareness about the corona. So, it is my wish that such initiation should also be taken to spread the awareness among each and every Indian about NPTEL, Swayam, National Digital Library, so that maximum students parents can come to know about this best effort by our education ministry to give a quality education. Professor Arvind Gupta sir, Professor H.C. Verma sir, Aizer Pune, have already started spreading the active learning demonstrations, so there is need to make them reach to each and every student of our country. So I think that such compulsory ringtones can play important role in spreading awareness, and I am sure that each one of us whether the learned or poor will automatically come to know about the best moves by Indian Education Ministry towards a quality education which is free of cost for each age group for 24 by 7. So this FDP has given me beautiful insight to look into myself and to discover myself as a good teacher. And I am also thankful to the organizing committee for organizing this FDP very beautifully in well planned manner systematically and making our FDP time valuable. Thank you very much to one and all. Thank you.